The price of flood insurance for City of la-crosse homeowners could be rising. FEMA informed the city it may not be in compliance with the National Flood Insurance Program. Now, the city is working on a response, but if FEMA doesn't accept the city's plan, homeowners could pay the price.
So we get a 10% rate discount because we do things to help prevent flooding. If our program doesn't do those things, we don't get that credit. And right now, they're suggesting that we may be losing that 10% credit.
According to the city, most homeowners do have federally subsidized flood insurance policies.